Hello everyone, my name is Thanat Ayaramsritgun.
And my name is Puttanskun.
We are from Princess Chulapon Science High School, Pathum Thani, Thailand. Today we're going to present our project, the Sign Language Translator Class for helping people with hearing disabilities. For a population of over 66 million people in Thailand, there are about 400,000 people who are hearing impaired, and it's very difficult to contract them. This is because they are individuals born with a lack of communication skills. So we came up with this idea of doing by using the hidden Markov model. The hopes that it will help us communicate more easily with the hearing impaired. For the material and method part, we divided into two parts. There are the glove building and the experiment. In the glove building section, we use the FRAC sensors and the MPU 6500 to build the glove. But we first dive it in the simulation program, then we build it into our real glove. When we finish our real glove, the next step is programming it to receive the data input to using it in train our hidden Markov model.
Okay, so moving on to the experiment, we have divided our experiment into two parts. The first one is single word translations, and the second one is the sentence translations. The single word translation experiment has been done by doing one word at a time, and then we see if the output of the graph are correct or not, and then we record it and change it into the percentage form. Same things as the sentence translations, except that for the sentence translations, we do multiple words, one by one, continuously. And then we see if the graph can output everything correct, and then we record it, and then we change it into the percentage form too. So moving on to the results, we will come up with the first one first. Okay, so the single word accuracies. The single word translations have an accuracies hovering around 81.67%. This is due to one reason. Some of the gestures contain similar moves that can leading to the wrong translation and of course the reduction of the accuracies of the result. Moving on to the next one, the sentence translation accuracies. The sentence translations have an accuracies hovering around 58%. Due to one main big reasons. The transition move. The transition move is the move that exists in between the changing of the gestures, but it doesn't exactly move. It doesn't have a meaning. It doesn't have a meaning. It just exists because of the changing of the gestures. But the algorithm doesn't know that. It's just like it's a move, so I will translate it, and it leading to the wrong translation, of course, and it's just the huge reduction of the accuracies of the result. Moving on to the conclusions, the silent language translation goal that using the FRAC sensors and MPU 6500 as an input, hidden Markov model as an algorithm, have a single word translation accuracies hovering around 81.67%, and the sentence accuracies hovering around 58%. The cause of the error believed to be mainly two things. The first one is the similarity of the move itself, and the second one is the transition move that exists in between the changing of the gestures. And this is the reference. Thank you for watching, and at the end of our live. Thank you.